Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Launceston in Tassie. Absolutely beautiful. Got these leaves falling behind me. I'm going to take the chairlift here, check out this gorge, which I'm assuming will be absolutely gorge.
That's a good one.
I'm wearing thongs today, so I don't know if they're going to let me on because I've got thongs on. I had this hunch. Anyway, check it out. So this is a kind of suspension-y bridge over there. I want to go check out. So we're going to walk over there. That's the plan today. Go to that bridge, take this chairlift. That's it. Right, good news, they let me on with thongs. Beautiful scenic ride in that chairlift. I'm going to take it back down again, but first let's go check out this bridge and another side of the gorge. Let's go for a walk and check it out. Should only be about 5 minutes down the road or the track. Absolutely beautiful. I've said it before, say it again. Stunning. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. And time to get back on the chairlift, get some food, and go back to the hotel, get dressed, and go to Perth. saying, guys, it's been great, but I've got to head back now to the hotel, get changed, because I'm heading now to Melbourne and then straight on to Perth. Because tomorrow morning in Perth, I'm going to be driving a total of 650 kilometres for lunch. So join me for that adventure. I will see you in Perth.